Hey guys, I'm Chef Kevin Gillespie. Thank you ShopRite and Coca-Cola for letting me be here with you today. These are gonna be our twice-baked sweet potato skins. First up, we have a sheet tray or a baking sheet here that we've prepared. We got some foil on it and we have it sprayed down with a little bit of cooking spray. Next thing we're gonna do is take our sweet potatoes and we're just gonna split them in half. Just split them right down the middle here, and then we're gonna take these cut side down onto our baking sheet, and then we're gonna pop these into a 425 degree oven, so quite hot, and we're gonna let them bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. So obviously what we're looking for here is that we have some nice color. We got some caramelization here, and that's gonna be perfect because we want this roasted sweet potato flavor. We're gonna use the insides of these to actually make our filling. So we take this and we just go in here and we scoop out the insides of this. Now be careful, we don't wanna go crazy here because what you don't wanna do is have a big giant hole in the bottom of your sweet potato. You need this to hold your filling, so you wanna have as much room as you can, but you don't wanna have any punctures here so that our filling leaks out, so just be careful. And we're gonna let these broil now. So we're actually gonna take that same oven that we have and we're gonna pop these back in, and it won't take very long at all. They got a little bit more color around the edges here, nice and caramelized. We are going to utilize some roasted sweet corn, which is what I have right here in the bowl. Let's mix some of this in with our sweet potato to make our filling. So let's make sure that we go ahead and add a nice big pinch of kosher salt in here. And then we're also gonna add a few grinds of our bowl and basket black peppercorns in here as well. I wanna mix this up really nice. Once we got our corn and our sweet potato together, let's just take our spoon here and let's refill our little potato skins here. We're gonna pop these back in our broiler for a few more minutes, but first, a sprinkle of cotija cheese. So while these are in the oven for the last time, let's go ahead and make our garnish. We're gonna make a nice lime yogurt for this, and I'm making my lime yogurt. I have some fresh, full-fat yogurt right here in the bowl, Greek yogurt, zest of 1 lime, and let's say about the juice of, a half of a lime or so. Let's do a little bit of chopped cilantro for this. And then my last little garnish is something here called tahini. This is a sort of a spicy chili mixture that is really gonna set this thing off. We got a nice caramelized top to this. The cotija has melted a little bit here. It's got a nice sort of brown quality to it, which I think looks absolutely beautiful. A little bit of this tahini right here. Let's get a little of this lime crema on top of it. This is gonna be nice here. A little cilantro over the top. I have some of my bowl and basket chili over here. It looks really good. I might actually put a little bit of this on mine here in just a minute. If you're looking for a beverage pairing though, I'm just gonna throw one suggestion out there. Can't go wrong with a refreshing Coca-Cola. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you try this recipe. Until next time, take care.